ng MF52 official film entries. And we have San Juan City Mayor Honorable Francis Zamora to announce the last entry.
Okay, so the last entry for this year's Metro Manila Film Festival. The story is about the lives of two people. Queenie, a successful skincare entrepreneur in Kingston, a veteran furniture maker who will do anything to protect the lives they have worked so hard to achieve, their families, their careers, and their dreams. Their worlds collide when an explosive first encounter turns them into instant rivals. What begins as a clash of pride quickly escalates into a chaotic and hilarious all-out war. Determined to outdo and sabotage one another, they become each other's worst enemies. But an unexpected turn of events forces them together, leading Queenie and Kingston to uncover the fears and wounds they have long tried to bury. Can two sworn enemies set aside their differences before their obsession with winning, and can their desire to prove they're right cost them everything they have worked for? The Greatest Showdown is a comedy film top billed by Vic Soto and Vice Ganda as lead actors, June Robles Nana as director and scriptwriter, Jumbo Albano, and produced by ABS-CBN Film Productions, Inc. The Idea First Company, APT Entertainment, Inc., and MZ Productions. Another film is The Greatest Showdown.
Yay! Congratulations, The Greatest Showdown! Samahan niyo po kami dito sa Entablado, the stars and the production team, led by syempre Direk June Robles Lana, to receive the plaque from MMDA to be presented by Mayor Francis Zamora. Oh my God! Meron tayong surprise na bisita!
Sabog ka naman, Jervy!
Para samahan po tayo sa Entablado, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin Metro Manila Film Festival 2025 Best Actor, Meme Vice Ganda! At ang nag-iisang bossing, Vic Soto! Congratulations po sa pelikula The Greatest Showdown! Let's have our photo up first at bibigyan natin ang pagkakataon ng ating mga stars at Direk June Robles Lana to say something to our audience.
Maraming salamat po sa pagkakataon ito. Kasama uli kami sa selebrasyon ng pelikula ng Pilipino ngayon. Desyembre at gagawin po namin ito para sa mga manonood. Gusto namin kayong pumasaya. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Direk June. Meme! Bumati ka naman!
What's up mga Dapper Cats? Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po sa MMDA sa Metro Manila Film Festival at hahayaan niyo ulit kami na makapagpasaya ng mga manonood sa araw ng Pasko at sobrang excited po yung buong team namin dahil ito po talaga yung pinakahihintay namin na may offer sa inyo ang collaboration namin ni Bossing Vic Soto at pinapangako po namin sa inyo na itong sa araw ng Pasko ay magbibigay talaga kami ng malalaking ngiti at halakhak sa mga buong pamilya ninyo. Pagtutulungan po namin ng buong team ng Greatest Showdown po yan. Maraming salamat.
And Bossing Vic Soto!
What's up, madlang people? Nasabi na lahat ni Vice eh. Kaya, ang totoo niya, ninenervous kami. Kanina, nag-uusap kami. Ay, pag di tayo natawag. Nag-usap na kami, magsha-shopping na lang kami. At magmimerienda ng burger. Yun ang paman, maraming salamat sa MMBA, sa Metro Manila Film Festival. It's good to be back. And I'm back with the best actor, Tom Crosser, Vice Ganda. It is my honor and pleasure. Maraming salamat po. We're very excited for this project. At ito po'y handog namin sa lahat ng mga manonood ng pelikula ng Pilipino. Maraming salamat po. Thank you.
Once again, congratulations to the greatest showdown. May we call on stage the first 4 official entries of MMFF 52 for our official photo op.